Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kinigilongi khubor bamta kasngi. Uba DP Walang IAS Chief Secretary Jungga Jila Meghalaya mentakasngi ulawan banpli yaka graduation day ceremony kabalong shibenta Jongka Youth Festival ba arsngi balapelong da kasngaps im college ringkan hakajing yatrelang bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society shilong. Halor kapang kemen kat bapidang im te elakam penduk yaka HIV lani AIDS hasngaps im college mau kerwan. Skit Red Show Cultural and Variety Show Red Run Red Robin Quiz Competition kilong shibenta na kijingyele kai jongkate ka Youth Festival hagani kasngi kadanru ka jingpen kop buram daki momentos yaki samla ki bapasbha ha ka subject science and commerce stream.
Graduated today, you may have finished your BA, even BCom for that matter, but students, especially from this part of the country, in the northeast, whether in Shillong, Bairang, Mokurwan, Northern, anywhere, they lack basic skills of financial management. You should learn the basics of financial management. Kamu you financial management, kamu pilih bentuk kio ano, berpido ano, berpiluk ano, di bentuk bahaya tak. Bon kiba stang bentrekam, kinayo katulok bentukong lai pohajar sebo, bara lai pohajar peluk. That is not the way to do it. As I mentioned about a few days back, I said start always. That your side start with an 80-20 rule. Kamu hila ban peluk kau nasispa kamu save 20%. So the basic message I want to put is financial management is critical for all of us, and the art of saving is imperative and very, very important. Learn to save money, learn to save early. Kila kamu ni badut mendar pisah. Wah kita mendar pisah tu lada save tang kengiat man ubnai hari life or supposem it's a different game altogether. But especially those who will be getting jobs after your graduation, please understand that you need to understand financial management. But you should not earn 100 and spend 120. You should learn how to look at the basics of finance. Kayo apat kuno basics like, for example, an income expenditure. One step ahead of that is a balance sheet, which is a little difficult, but if you can do that, those who pass BCom should be able to do it properly. But the point I'm trying to make is that financial management is important and should understand the importance of savings, especially at an early age, because if you start saving at an early age, it's the power of compounding that will save you later.